Hello there guys, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about shell variables. Now, shell variables are temporary variables specific to the current shell you are running. So basically, shell variables are temporary while environment variables are permanent. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, that means that if I, for example, type variable equals stuff here and I have to mind the spaces and press enter and then I type in echo variable, I will actually get stuff because the variable exists in this current shell. However, if I open up a new terminal, okay, and let me just increase the font size here. I think this is the one we use. And if I type in echo variable, I will actually get nothing, okay? Because this variable doesn't exist in this shell session, but it does exist in this shell session, okay? So this is just something that I wanted to cover. So basically, as I said, shell variables are temporary, environment variables are permanent, okay? So thank you for watching. Hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial.